Welcome to SmartStart. In the next 3 minutes, you'll discover how Meta is turning Instagram into a checkout, why Apple just gave developers a new analytics dashboard, what the EU is doing about risky AI tools, and which new AI-powered startups are now worth billions. Stay tuned, all the headlines you need, in one quick burst. First up, Meta is testing AI-driven shopping helpers on Instagram and Facebook. The feature will automatically summarize product reviews, show brand details, and add a Buy Now button that processes payments inside the app through partners like Stripe and PayPal. Apple has just rolled out more than 100 new metrics in App Store Connect, giving developers deeper insight into user behavior and a toolset to benchmark against competitors. Meanwhile, Meta's own oversight board warned that expanding the Community Notes program beyond the United States could create serious human rights risks in conflict zones and countries with organized misinformation campaigns. Turning to artificial intelligence, OpenAI announced an indefinite pause on its Citron Mode adult chatbot after pushback from staff and investors. The company will refocus on core productivity tools such as coding assistance. In venture news, Harvey AI closed a $200 million round, lifting its valuation to $11 billion, a 3.5 times jump in just 1 year and the first time Sequoia co-led 3 rounds for the firm. Granola, a meeting notes startup, raised $125 million and is now valued at $1.5 billion, expanding its AI offering with Spaces and a public API. Glimpse, an AI-powered fintech that automates e-commerce payment disputes, secured $35 million in a Series A led by a 16Z. Google unveiled TurboQuant, a new memory compression algorithm that cuts KV cache usage by at least 6-fold without sacrificing accuracy, promising huge cost savings for large language models. Sift, founded by a former SpaceX engineer, raised $42 million in a 2025 Series B to provide high-throughput data infrastructure for AI models that ingest millions of sensor streams daily. Lucid Bots attracted $20 million to scale production of its Sherpa drone and Lava window cleaning robot, targeting 1,000 units sold in the coming year. Arena secured $4 million to develop ultra-thin TMD-based solar cells promising over 32% efficiency and a 15-year lifespan. Finally, Anthropic released a report warning that the AI skill gap is widening. Early adopters who master deeper model capabilities will reap outsized advantages, while workers lacking AI fluency face higher displacement risk. In transportation, Harbinger is building a hybrid ambulance chassis for Fraser, aiming to cut ownership costs and extend operational time with clean electric power. Waymo's robotaxis have recently needed assistance from police and fire departments after incidents such as the fire on I-280, raising concerns about public service burden. Uber has partnered with Pony.ai to pilot robotaxi service in Zagreb, Croatia, using the ArtFox Alpha T5 equipped with Gen 7 autonomous driving software. The European Union has postponed the final deadlines of its AI Act until late 2026-2027, and, in the same vote, banned all nudify-type applications that generate non-consensual deepfake porn. In U.S. politics, Senators Bernie Sanders and Alexandria Ocasio-Cortez have introduced legislation prohibiting the construction of new data center facilities larger than 20 megawatts until comprehensive AI regulation passes Congress. Russia's law enforcement agencies arrested the owner of the hacking forum Leakbase, accused of distributing illicit hacking tools, a case previously pursued by the United States and Europol. Privacy-focused company DeleteMe acquired the social media protection tool Block Party, expanding its suite to help users erase personal data and block unwanted tracking. In Greece, Tal Dilian, founder of the intelligence firm Intellexa, received an 8-year prison sentence for a series of phone hacking attacks on government officials, a case that suggests possible state involvement in the wrongdoing. Finally, the audio world sees Sonos Play, the new mobile speaker crowned the best in its class Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 24-hour battery and IP67 rating, priced at $299. Reviewers note balanced sound with a slight mid-range boost. Webtoon has rolled out an AI-driven translation tool for its Canvas platform, automatically localizing comics into multiple languages and expanding revenue share options for creators. WhatsApp for iOS now supports dual-account login, letting users switch between 2 numbers, with smoother chat history migration and Meta-powered AI enhancements for image editing and smart replies. That's a wrap on today's Tech Roundup. Which story surprised you the most? Leave a comment below, smash that subscribe button, and hit the bell so you never miss a SmartStart update. See you tomorrow.